To install and use dual Snapchat accounts on Android, start by downloading and installing the Parallel Space app from the Google Play Store. This app allows you to create a duplicate version of Snapchat, enabling you to run two separate accounts simultaneously. Once installed, open the Parallel Space app and grant the necessary permissions. You will then see a list of installed apps. Find Snapchat and select it to create a duplicate version. Wait for the cloning process to complete. This may take a few seconds. After the cloning process, you will see a second Snapchat icon in the Parallel Space app. Tap on it to open the duplicate Snapchat account. You can now log in with a different set of credentials to create or access a second Snapchat account. To switch between the two accounts, simply open the Parallel Space app and select the desired Snapchat account. You can also customize the duplicate account by changing the icon and label to distinguish it from the original account. To ensure seamless performance, make sure your device has enough storage space and a sufficient amount of RAM. It is also recommended to keep both accounts updated to the latest version of Snapchat to avoid any compatibility issues. By following these steps, you can easily install and use dual Snapchat accounts on your Android device, allowing you to manage multiple accounts and keep your personal and professional life separate. Remember to always use the Parallel Space app to access the duplicate account, as the duplicate account will not appear on your device's home screen.